All right, so a bit of a strange one, but something that we have to help everyone with is actually getting weights on and off the racks. Okay, as you're getting stronger, you will be lifting heavier weights. So we've had this requested a couple times this week alone. All right, so when you're looking at deadlifting, you lift through the lower back, you lift through the hips, right? Lift through the glutes. That's what we're going to do here. So we wouldn't just go side on and lift it like that if we're going to be lifting here, what, 28 kilos. So face on the rack, nice triangle point, grab with both hands and a straight spine, lift the weight up, and lift it with the spine there, and also hold them with straight arms. Dead easy, real easy. And then when we're putting back, exactly the same, okay? Hip hinge back, pop it into position with both hands, real easy. And that's instead of just trying to lift like that. Looks like something that's not important, but really important to make sure that you can keep moving good numbers whilst not just injuring yourself before you've even started the exercise, all right?